This is part one of a two-part series. We spent a couple weeks down in Cabo San Lucas looking for Roosterfish, Cubera, and Jack Crevalle. Along the way, we ran into Wesley Burrow, aka Cabo Surfcaster. He is a great guy and a great guide. I highly recommend reaching out for his services if you're ever in the Cabo San Lucas area. Right off the bat, we ran into this turtle, and then as soon as this turtle heads back to the water, we'll get right to the action. There it goes. Gone into the abyss. Pelicans, get out of the way, pelicans. Right in front of me? Oh, I'm on! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Any? Ooh, it's just hanging there.
I told you right in front.
You did. Good call, buddy.
I saw some type of bait.
I saw a good swipe. Hopefully it's a rooster. Is there a red thing going? Okay. No. Back up. You can back up. You don't have to be so close. Back up. There you go. You're gonna go grab the phone? And say your pull down if you want. I don't. Where is it? Come on. Almost fell over. Hang on. Damn. Is it alright?
land. Whew, come on, this one. Cubera!
That's the first. That's a big one. Dad, your pole. Oh my God. We're keeping that, right?
Here, take this up.
Holy that.
Hold on. Walk it up.
Dad, it's not even hooked. Oh my God. We're keeping that, right?
No.
No, we got to keep
Look.
it.
Climb up, climb up. Just sit him down nicely.
Where?
Anywhere. Please don't reach them. Let's get a good fix. Huge Cubera, baby.
Good. When he said get more, I just started.
Okay. 1,
Oh my God.
2, 3, 4. That's almost 4 feet long.
It's barely hooked.
Popped right out. Holy crap.
I think we should keep it.
No. It's a monster, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo, there it goes. Let's go. What? Cubera, baby. Whoo.
We should have kept it.
And that was recorded?
No, it's not anymore.
When'd you turn it off? Okay, go put the
I
camera.
just.
Okay, go put that back.
Yeah, Dad.
He has a rooster.
I know, I just said that.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Dad, we should have kept it because it would have been free.
True. We don't have one to keep. We don't know what to do with one that big. Now we know we don't have an oven.
Yeah.
Whew. True. He keeps it. He catches enough. He's good. Whoo, baby. All right. Your turn, brother.
I told you exactly where they were.
Yep, great job, man. Whew. All right, time for the next one. Brady just spot hooked up a rooster. Oh my God! Oh, it's jumping!
Oh my God, there's so many.
There's followers! Keep it on, keep it on! That's amazing! Keep it tight, keep it tight, keep it tight! Great job, great job! It's going left, it's going left! Walk left, walk left! Oh, shit. Keep it tight, keep it tight. Just keep it tight. Where is it? Here, come this way. Walk this way. Go low. Drop it low. Drop your. There you go. I don't have my hook. Ah, there you go. Great job, buddy. Here, reel up, reel up.
There you go, your pop.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's all recorded. Popped right out.
Alright.
B-Man's up 2-0 on the Roosters. Let's set it down. There you go.
Alright, hurry.
Hurry, 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 hurry. You got it? Under here. Remember under here?
Oh.
Yeah.
I'll get out of your picture.
Brown on that one. That's beautiful. Alright, do one on your knee.
Beautiful.
I told you tuck your elbows in on your knee. Alright, you're good.
Amazing. That was awesome, dude.
Yeah, that was really cool.
That was a huge one.
You spotted it, casted it, hooked it. Great job, man. That's what we're here for. All day. Amazing.
Nice. You made it just fine. You
Oh, B-Man's on! B-Man's on!
I've seen the tail. Oh, it's right here.
Right here, right here.
It was.
In the wash.
Yeah. Right there. Big jack.
Nice fish.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks, Wes.
Good one. You guys want a picture together?
Yes, please. Easy. Whew. Where's your pole at?
Up there.
You got a clean side on there?
Yep. You gonna grab it, buddy?
Yeah.
Under just where my hand is. You got it?
All right. So you wanna go this hand right behind these. See these little fins?
There you go.
There you go. And then this hand go underhand. So
Underhand. There you go.
And then you can stand them up on the edge, like you want to stand them like that.
There you go. Perfect.
The further out, you can hold them. The bigger
Hold them
you go.
out.
There you
You're
go.
strong.
1, 2, 3. Do one on your knee. Get on your knee and just kind of put your elbows like this and hold them out to the edge of your knee.
You want to do one by yourself?
Yeah.
All right. Nose towards me a little bit. Right there. Yep.
Oh,
I got
crap.
it. I got it.
Awesome.
Yeah, I got a bunch.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Good job. Congratulations, man.
Thank you.
Good fish.
Finally.
You want to throw them back? You want me to? Yeah.
All right. We got the assist with the pictures from Wesley, Cabo Surfcaster. He's been fishing right down the beach with us. Yo, that's what I'm talking about. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Amazing.
Cool.
Awesome. Thank you very
Did
much.
you get a good hit? Yeah?
Yeah.
It's a blast.
Nice. Yeah, I look down like, oh, he's got
He
one.
got one.
Yeah.
I love it because he's always worried about casting far enough, and I always go,
Right there.
go, 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 go ahead.
Where's your pole? Oh.
Great job, brother.
I gotta clean off my hands before I do anything.
Here, I'll take it. You're gonna need a breather anyway. You're probably exhausted.
No, I'm good. Dad,
But
whose do you think fought harder, mine or yours?
yours might have. All right, we just got finished day 5 or 6. I don't even know at this point. It was a great day. We got the team trifecta. We got a big Cubera. Brady got a big jack and then a nice rooster. He spot fished it. We were just hanging around and he saw it feeding. And he ran over and cast a right on it and hooked up. It was awesome. So we got a big Cubera, jack, rooster all on the same day. So it was a fantastic morning. We got everything we wanted to catch on the trip in the one morning. So fantastic. So now it's time to go eat. Sound good? Excellent. Lots of talking out of this one.